A baby beanie that's quick, easy, looks very pretty, and will only take you a day to knit. I've loved knitting this beanie. It's got such a pretty pattern. Stocking stitch is broken up with some purl stitches to make it a very unique beanie. Cast on 52 stitches. Start with 5 rows of rib stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, 10 centimetres of our pattern or 36 rows of the pattern. This pattern is an 8-row pattern. We start with knit 3 rows. Then on our 4th row we have purl 4, knit 4, purl 4. Then knit 3 rows. And to break up our stocking stitch, we start with purl 4, knit 4. Using 5mm needles and a 10 ply or an Aran weighted wool, this is divine when you're knitting a baby beanie. It's warm, it's soft, and it feels beautiful on. This is a basic and very pretty beanie. I've really enjoyed knitting this one. It's quick, it's easy, and it looks beautiful on. I hope you enjoy knitting this beanie as much as I have. Rows 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7 are knit rows. Knit all the way around. Row number 5, purl 4 stitches. Yarn to the back and knit 4. And that completes the pattern for row number 5. Continue all the way around. Row number 8, knit 4 stitches. Yarn to the front and towards you. Purl 4 stitches. And that completes our pattern for row number 8. Continue all the way around. 5 rows of rib stitch, 10 centimetres or 36 rows of the pattern, and you're ready to decrease. To decrease the number of stitches for the top of your beanie, you need to knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, and you continue that all the way around. With a tapestry needle, gently place the stitches onto the needle and feed the wool through. Turn your beanie inside out, and we're going to very, very carefully sew the top of the beanie. Gently pull the yarn together so that it's firm. Don't pull too tightly or you could snap the yarn. To secure the top of the beanie, gently collect a few of the stitches and feed the yarn through. Turn the beanie inside out and it's ready. What a beautiful beanie. Quick, easy, and lovely and warm. This is such a pretty pattern to break up the stocking stitch. I hope you enjoy knitting this as much as I did.